Welcome back to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're recreating KFC bowls right at home. Let's get cooking. To start, spread the mashed potatoes evenly into a casserole dish. Next, layer 2 cans of cooked corn on top. Now add a bag of popcorn chicken. Next, sprinkle in a half teaspoon of pepper. Lastly, top it off with 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese. Now, bake it at 375 for 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool slightly before digging in. Just look at that cheesy goodness. Thanks for joining me on Simply Easy Cooking. Enjoy your homemade KFC bowls, and I'll see you next time.